we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
You may feel these movements in different parts of your belly, top and bottom, side to side, or they may stop if you reposition yourself. These are likely just kicks. If you're sitting completely still and feel a pulsing or rhythmic twitching coming from one area of your belly, these might be baby's hiccups.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.